My video guide is about getting rid of the pop-ups and fake human verification alerts by the site cadscenter.com. Cadscenter.com is a dangerous site. It attacks Google Chrome and it affects other browsers. It tries to make you click on allow, supposedly to help you verify that you are not a robot, but if you click on that allow button, the point is that your browser may be hijacked with many intrusive ads. You may also be redirected to some other malicious sites. If you have mistakenly clicked on allow, you need to get your browser fixed. So, to fix your browser, make sure you implement some urgent fixes. Access the menu, go to Settings, select Privacy and Security, go down to Site Settings, and then in Permissions choose Notifications. Then pay attention to the sites, allow it to send notifications. So remove any junk sites if you find them on the list. Carefully, one by one, get rid of these junk sites. Finally, I recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner, which you may obtain on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching the system to detect and remove other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.